Hi! If you're watching this video, then you have been recommended to wear a FroggyMouth. Let me explain to you how to use this functional rehabilitation device. Before you open your device, please read the instructions carefully. The FroggyMouth is a small device that will simply separate your upper lip from your lower lip. As you can see, it is not invasive and it doesn't hurt. You should wear the FroggyMouth between the lips, not between the teeth. A small V-shaped cutout indicates the upper part of your device. You should wear it in front of the television. Sit comfortably with your head upright. You can replace the television with a computer, but only if you raise the screen to your eye level. Otherwise, you'll have your head tilted down and saliva may come out. You'll get your clothes all wet, and the exercise will be less effective. You should wear it for 15 minutes every day, continuously and in front of a screen. Please note that if you talk or remove the device during these 15 minutes, you'll have to start again from the beginning. After using it, don't forget to wash the device and dry it well before putting it back in its box.